Hey, Riddle here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a subscriber. I wanted to show you my Lucifer lilies in full bloom. Crocosmia, I'm uncertain if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but the old-fashioned and common name for this lily is the Lucifer lily, although it's more of a brilliant, deep to fiery red, orange than it is a red. Now these will grow about anywhere. They're super low maintenance, and it seems that the squirrels and groundhogs and other moles, ground dwelling animals, seem to really leave the bulbs alone. And I planted some in the forest, and the deer also left them alone, and they're blooming in almost full shade in my little redwood forest. They grow 2.5 to 4 feet tall when they're really happy, and bloom every year and continue to expand. So once you get a clump going, it's really great because you can split it every year and either resell the bulbs or share them with friends or relocate them around your property. It truly is. It also makes a beautiful cut flower. It holds up very well in a vase, and you're getting a really good shot now as the sun is hitting my Lucifer lily just beautifully and reflecting from the back of it its color. So if you love to collect bulbs and you really love lilies, you simply have to have this one in the garden for sure. I've got my Lucifer lily. It's a really neat story. We were renting a small house in Hollywood, right on the edge of Los Feliz, California. And we were really fortunate because it was a guest house. It was built behind this very old house, a Victorian home, and it was one of the last remaining homes standing in the neighborhood. It was in between Sunset and Hollywood Boulevard, and it was crazy because we were surrounded by high-rise apartments, and then there was this little vintage house, and it was so old. I remember seeing that the landlord was doing some repair to the front porch, and it actually had flathead iron nails that they had used originally to put the boards together. But it was a real blessing to live there. And this particular flower was blooming in the yard. And my landlord told me that her aunt was the original owner of the home, and she was pushing almost 100 years old, and they had been there when she moved in. So this bulb stock goes back easily 100 years. Which is really cool when you think about it. And some people, some collectors specialize in those kind of vintage and heirloom varieties of roses and lilies and things. And you can see why. Again, so disease resistant. I have a really bad sense of smell, but I've never noticed a fragrance, but they are just fantastic. So thanks for coming to my channel. If you enjoy my quick money-saving tips, garden wisdom, organic gardening, art, and occasional magic, please subscribe. It helps. I want you to take care of yourselves and take care of each other. I believe how we treat each other on the streets is our ultimate reality. So let's all treat each other the way we would like to be treated, hopefully with dignity and respect. Bye for now.